Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps Fundamentals. Bringing AI models to life. Deployment and versioning. You've heard of AI models that can do amazing things. But how do they actually go from being a cool project on someone's computer to being used by millions of people in apps and websites? That's where MLOps comes in. Think of MLOps as the DevOps for artificial intelligence. If building an AI model is like baking a fantastic cake recipe, MLOps is about setting up a professional bakery, making sure the cakes are consistently baked, delivered to customers, and that you can quickly update the recipe if needed, all while keeping track of what works best. You've spent hours coding and training an AI model that predicts house prices or accurately identifies cat pictures. Fantastic. But right now, it's just a program on your laptop. Deployment is the crucial step where you make this amazing AI available for others to use. Not just on your machine. It's like a chef creating a fantastic new dish in their test kitchen. Deployment is the act of putting that dish on the restaurant menu and serving it to paying customers. Once your AI model is deployed, how do other applications, like a mobile app or a website, actually talk to it and get predictions? They use something called an API, Application Programming Interface. For developers, an API is a set of rules and tools that lets different software pieces communicate. In our restaurant analogy, the API is like the waiter. You, the client app, tell the waiter, API, your order, input data for the AI, e.g., house features, and the waiter takes it to the kitchen. Your deployed AI model. The kitchen prepares the dish. The AI's prediction, e.g., house price, and the waiter brings it back to you. As a developer, you'll write code to call these APIs. Imagine you're a chef constantly trying to improve your signature dish. Sometimes you tweak an ingredient. Sometimes you completely overhaul the recipe. Some changes make it better. Some might make it worse. Versioning in MLOps is exactly like keeping a detailed, time-stamped recipe book for every single iteration of your AI model. Each time you make a significant change or improvement to your AI's brawn, its code, its training data, or its settings, you save it as a new version. This is incredibly important because not all changes are improvements, and sometimes you need to go back to an older, reliable recipe. Why is this detailed recipe book so critical for a developer managing AI? 1. Rollbacks. The safety net. If you deploy a new version of your AI model and it starts making terrible predictions, you can quickly switch back to an older, stable version. It's like being able to instantly revert to the good old recipe if your new one is a disaster. 2. Experiments. Trying new things. You can safely try out different AI recipes simultaneously, seeing which one performs best with real users, without losing the ability to revert or compare. 3. Reproducibility. Knowing what happened. If a customer asks, how did that prediction happen last year? Or if you need to debug an issue, versioning allows you to retrieve the exact AI model, and even the data it was trained on, that was running at any specific point in time. This is vital for debugging, auditing, and compliance. As a developer working with AI, MLOps means expanding your skills beyond just building the model. You'll be involved in managing its entire lifecycle. This includes automating deployment, setting up systems that automatically deploy new, improved versions of your AI model without manual intervention, API integration, ensuring other applications can easily and reliably connect to and use your deployed models. Version control for models, using specialized tools, often similar to what developers use for code, like Git, but adapted for models and data. To track and compare different AI model versions. Monitoring performance. Building dashboards and alerts to constantly check if your deployed AI model is working well and making accurate predictions in the real world. You're the architect of the AI's operational excellence. MLOps isn't just another tech buzzword. It's the essential bridge that takes cutting-edge AI research and prototypes from a cool experiment to a functional, impactful tool used by millions. It ensures your AI is not only intelligent but also reliable, scalable, and continuously improving in the face of new data and challenges. For developers, embracing MLOps means you're equipped to not just build AI, but to truly bring it to life and make it work in the real world, delivering real value. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.